Here we are asked to factor m squared minus 10mn minus 24n squared. Notice that there's a pattern to the variable, the exponents in the variables. We have m to the second, then m to the first, and then we have an m to the 0, right? There's no m in that third. And notice that the pattern on the ends is reversed. We have n to the 0 in the first term, and then n to the first in the second term, and then an n squared term. What that tells us is, when we factor this trinomial, we're going to have m in each of the first terms, and we'll have n in each of the second terms. And we just need to figure out the numbers that work. So it's a 1m squared. Right, we have a 1m squared, which means we don't have to worry about the coefficients in front of the m's. We just have to worry about the coefficients in front of the n's. And this works basically the same as some of the earlier exercises. We just need to look at the factors of negative 24. So let's consider the factors of negative 24. So we could have 1 and negative 24. We could have 2 and negative 12. Hey, their sum, right? The sum of 2 and negative 12 and so if we consider the sum of the factors, the sum of 2 and negative 12 is negative 10. And we need that negative 10 as the sum of the factors. So that means what we will have is m plus 2n, m minus 12n. And we can verify this. Let's go ahead and FOIL this out to verify our work. M times m is m squared. That's the firsts. Outers, m times negative 12n would be a negative 12mn. There's from the outers. Inners, 2n times m. We can change the order of multiplication. That's the same as a plus 2mn. And then 2n times negative 12n is negative 24n squared. So this was I and L. And notice that these like terms combined in negative 10mn. And so we do have the correct factorization. So I'll write the answer as m plus 2n by m minus 12n.